to do movies, and I was wondering if I could do one. So I asked him, and he said yes.
So you were inspired by your dad. Amazing. Are you a daddy's girl? Me too. So that's great. All right. So tell us a little bit about what's going on in this film.
Teddy and Kora are looking for me in it, and I'm dead in it.
Oh man. Ooh. You wrote a film and you were dead? That's amazing. Okay, I don't know if I'm ready for this. So I think what we're gonna do, who should we tag in first? Teddy or Kora?
I think Kora's a little shy, so I'm gonna go with Teddy.
Kora said she ready to turn up. All right, Kora, tag in. Come on in, Kora. Let's make it do what it do.
There it is.
Oh. You got it? I'ma hold it. You got it? All righty. So we got Kora in here. Let's get Kora. She gonna sit on down. So Kora said, listen, she is ready. You can't tell her she not ready. Miss Kora, so you played yourself in the film. So what was the highlight? What did you have fun doing in this film? Really? How did you do it?
I was just like, Adeline.
Really? You got a little attitude and sass. Do you want to be a model or actress? Oh, I knew it. Well, you are beautiful, and with that curly hair, you can definitely do it. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you see Adeline making big films when she becomes a grown-up? I do too, because I think she's amazing, and she started off like almost writing a gruesome something. So I'm really excited, but I am so proud of you guys. So I guess now we got to tag Teddy in, right? All right, let's tag Teddy in. Come on over, Teddy. All righty. Okay, now Teddy, you were the only man in the film.
Him.
Oh, except for Dad? Okay. But you were the man. You were the man for your sisters, right? How did you feel being the only dude in this film?
Oh, no.
Are you always the only dude? You're always hanging out with your sisters? And you're the oldest? But they're the boss?
Except for my other brother.
Uh-huh.
I think he's 16.
Okay. Now, was he in the film too, or just you?
Just us.
Okay. So what else? Now, what are some of the other things what did you enjoy when you were filming?
I enjoyed watching Adeline's parts.
Okay.
And I also enjoyed the whole movie itself.
So did it make you sad, though, that Adeline was playing dead in the film?
No.
It didn't, because you knew it was a joke. That's good. I think I would have been a little scared to write that before, I would have been like, oops, jinx, there it goes. But that's kind of cool. So what are you looking forward to next?
Like, what kind of movie?
Yeah.
If I were to film another one, I would probably do one I really don't know.
Really? Let's see. What about a comedy? You think a comedy would be cool?
Yeah.
Or do you look like you like some action. You want some action films. Adeline, you gotta write an action film, okay? Brother needs some action, all right? Guys, we enjoy seeing the kids tap into, their creative sense. These three have truly come aboard and done something amazing. And shout out to Dad for inspiring his daughter to be a filmmaker. This is utterly amazing, and we have to continue to train up our kids in the way that we would want for them to go, so that when they're older, they won't depart from it. It's your girl, Lily Mae, and we're out.